guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make lemonade for a summer treat. Let's get right to the video. So our need for lemonade is a bowl, juicer, a picture, and cutting board, and a knife for safety. You also need lemons, a spoon, simple syrup, a tray full of cups, and a jar. Alright, so first step is to cut the lemon in half. So after you cut the leaves in half, all you do is put lemon on the juicer. It turns to this. It's completely empty. Alright, this is the last lemon. Rub it up to it. Hallelujah, lemon. Hallelujah. So for this ingredient, it's a special ingredient inside the picture. So something to discover about lemonade is to put this and combine these ingredients. Okay, after that you stir it. So the final step is to pour the lemonade in 3 glasses on a lovely tray. So I'd like to invite my mom and dad for this video. Cheers! So please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Hello, lemonade.